Trantahin ates, don't gatekeep. And in this economy, ito yung mga money decisions na dapat hindi mo na kinakahiya. Number 1 is asking questions. Don't be afraid to look like the least knowledgeable person in the room, especially if you're asking about money. Ask about your salary, ask about your benefits, taxes. Try to negotiate and ask kung ano ba talaga yung binabayaran mo. Looking dumb for a few minutes is so much better than being confused or sitting on a problem for months. Plus, you can't really make good financial decisions para sa mga bagay na hindi mo naiintindihan. So it's better to ask questions. Number 2, saying it's not within my budget. We should normalize this, especially if hindi talaga within your budget yung gala, yung kape sa labas, yung travel. And minsan napipilitan tayo mag-yes dahil napipressure tayo. And ang kapalit naman nun, lagi kang stressed kung kakapusin ka ba, kailangan mo ba mangutang this month. At the end of the day, kailangan mo i-weigh ano ba yung mas importante sa'yo, yung financial goals mo or yung opinion ng ibang tao. Number 3, repeating outfits. I wish nalaman ko to ng mas maaga kasi siguro ang laki ng natipid ko, lalo na nung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa opisina. Kasi apparently, kapag meron kang capsule wardrobe, madali lang mag-mix and match. Kahit na 20 pieces lang yung nasa wardrobe mo, kapag minix and match mo sila, makakagawa ka lagi ng panibagong outfit. Next is choosing free or cheaper alternatives. Nasa 20s ako kasi nahihiya ako mag-commute, nahihiya ako magbaon, nahihiya ako manghiram ng gamit kesa bumili ng bago. Pero ngayong 30 na ako, na-realize ko na being resourceful doesn't mean you're cheap. Ibig sabihin lang nun, mas practical ka at mas may disiplina ka pagdating sa finances mo. Last but not the least is hustling. There's no shame sa pagkuha ng side hustles, extra gig, or additional income if it means naman na mas mabilis mong mababayaran yung mga bills mo or mas mabilis mong marireach yung financial goals mo. Kasi yes, pwede tayo magtipid para ma-reach natin yung ating financial goals, pero we can only save so much. Pero there's so much room to increase your earning potential. So syempre, mas mabilis natin marireach yung financial goals natin kung madadagdagan yung ating